The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Grimes County in southeastern Texas, East Central Brazos County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, southwestern Walker County in southeastern Texas, until 12:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:59 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Anderson, Oregon, 9 miles north of Navasota, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Southeastern College Station, Navasota, Anderson, Iowa, Plantersville, Romans Prairie, Richards, Carlos, and Dacus. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If on or near Gibbons Creek Lake and Lake Conroe, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in the thunderstorm.